Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zatar Gardens and doing a quick little update video on my Cherimoya. You can see the big Cherimoya tree here. Just stellar. It can take the cold, the heat, everything. It doesn't stop. I believe it was from a seedling. I had a few of them and I think this one is the seedling. If I'm incorrect, it's okay. Regardless, you can see some of the big leaves, obviously. You can see I pruned it. There's some with even bigger leaves than this, the Cherimoya. I had this growing around the avocado here. This is I believe a bacon avocado. I had it growing over it. And the reason why I had it growing over it was to protect it from the winter and the summer heat and the winter cold. So now the avocado is getting a little bigger. You can see the base of it. It's getting a little bigger, and that's why you can see the avocado only growing this direction and not much on this side, is because the Cherimoya was just basically blanketing it. But now it's time. Now it's time to prune it back and keep it back, because I think the avocado is large enough, and now it's September. It's a lot cooler now, so it could probably defend for itself now. It did flop over. I have to put another stake here. You see the stakes right here? It flopped over, so that's unfortunate. But I'll bend it back slowly, or next year I'll prune all this off, and then when it regrows from here, I'll just straighten it back up and have it grow taller and taller. But yeah, and I also pruned the bottom. The base of the avocado was also most of the avocado prunings that you see were from the base. It was just a huge, it looked like who is it, Cousin It? Just a hairball. just it was all just a huge mound of leaves. Yeah, now it's time to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, and the Moringa is doing well too. I don't want to take too long on this video, but look at the Moringa from seedling. Look at all that. As tall as the Cherimoya. And there's two of them. There's another one. And then I finally found some babies. You can see the babies right here. Two babies that just grew up now. Those won't make it in the winter. So, but those two, the babies that is, these two will. And then this big one, the Moringa, will be hopefully seeds next year. All right, well, yeah, cool. Awesome. Lulu's doing what she's doing best, which is nothing. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.